Mechanism of breathing. Breathing occurs in two stages, that is inspiration and expiration. Inspiration is intaking or breathing in the air, and expiration is breathing out the air. Let us understand the mechanism. To move across lungs and environment, air needs a pressure gradient. You can see in diagram how this happens. In lungs, whenever there is low pressure, inspiration will occur, that is air will move from environment into the lungs, and whenever pressure is high in lungs, air will move from the lungs to the environment. And to create this pressure gradient in human body, diaphragm and intercostal muscles are responsible. Now you can see in diagram, whenever diaphragm is contracted, inspiration is taking place because pulmonary volume is increasing, thereby decreasing intrapulmonary pressure, and hence inspiration is taking place. In second diagram, you can see relaxation of diaphragm is occurring, which leads to expiration because relaxation of diaphragm leads to pulmonary volume decrease, which in turn increases intrapulmonary pressure. Respiratory volumes and capacities. Tidal volume. Volume of air that can be inspired or expired in a normal respiration. Inspiratory reserve volume. Additional volume of air that can be inspired after a forcible inspiration. Expiratory reserve volume. Additional volume of air that can be expired after forcible expiration. Residual volume. Volume of air present in the lungs even after forcible expiration. Inspiratory capacity. Total volume of air that can be inspired after normal expiration. Expiratory capacity. Total volume of air that can be expired after normal inspiration. Functional residual capacity. Volume of air present in lungs after normal expiration. Vital capacity. Maximum volume of air that can be inspired after a forced expiration. Total lung capacity. Total volume of air present in the lungs at the end of forcible expiration.